Yo, baby, let me take you over here to the other side.
Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all straight? Y'all ate? Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. So I am here to bring you all a hair review, and y'all, I want to first start off by saying thank you to Kalyss Hair. I have worked with them before. I do believe I've worked with them before, either on my channel or on my Instagram. I've worked with them before, and they are the sponsors of this beautiful unit that I am wearing right now. And y'all will be surprised, but I've memorized all the specs and everything about this hair. You guys, this is a 36-inch lace frontal box braid wig, and I will admit, y'all know I'm still learning when it comes down to doing these wigs. I'm not good with it at all, but if I do say so myself, I laid this wig to the gods. So maybe my calling is for box braid wigs. Maybe that's my forte. A box braid wig does it for me. Maybe that's what it was. But I did lay this wig using my Eben Wonder Lace Bond, the red can, and the red can is the Extreme Firm Hold Active. I guess it's for those that are in the gym doing the thizzle on the Stairmaster, in the treadmills. I will soon be in there doing my thing there as well, because your girl done gained a few pounds. But this is not dedicated to me eating the snacks and stuff. This is about this hair. And y'all, let me show y'all the ends. Look at the ends, y'all. It puts you in a mindset of when you go get your hair professionally done and then they dip it in water, except for the ends are, you see, they're twisted, kind of like how some crochet braids or crochet twists. They kind of twist the ends so that they don't unravel and they don't give you that, you know, all dysfunctional type feel. I don't know why I can't talk today, y'all, but give you like that dysfunctional type feel and that messy look. But y'all, when I say I'm in love with this unit, like, I know I say that with a couple of I've said that on a couple of my videos with a couple of my units, but y'all, I really love this unit. Anybody that knows me knows that I love braids. If it's a box braid, a jumbo braid, a crochet braid, I love it, just because your hair is up, your hair is out of the way. The only thing I don't love about those type of braids is the fact that it takes forever. My hands end up cramping, and yes, y'all, I don't have on nails right now, so let's not address that. Mind your business. That's the only thing that I just dislike about doing individual braids, box braids, jumbo braids, any of the sort, is the fact that I gotta do it because I don't trust people in my head, y'all. I've always been that way, very finicky about who I let in my head. But now that I have this, y'all, I'm period, baby. Not going back to it. Not going back to braiding my own hair. And y'all, this right here, this is my sideburn. Y'all know I have those original thick Jackson 5 sideburns, so it just goes along. I'm never cutting my sideburns off. No, the sideburns are here to stay for me. And this right here is the baby hair, y'all. Like, the baby hairs, it does come with baby hairs. Now, y'all know how some units say, oh, it comes with baby hair and it doesn't come with baby hair. No, this unit does come with baby hair. These right up here are the baby hairs. It did have some baby hairs along this along the front part of the hairline, but I kind of thinned those out, so there's really not too much of a hair, baby hair right here. But then go over here, there are some more baby hairs, and then of course my thick sideburns. Y'all, one thing that I love about this is you can put it up, like, you can wear this thing up, like, I'm just gonna do it real quick, messy, like don't get in my face. Like, look, y'all, I just threw that up into a ponytail, like into a half up, half down, and then, y'all, where did I put that little hair thing? You could put it into a ponytail. You can put it up into a ponytail. Like, it's not the neatest ponytail, but it's up in a ponytail. Like, stop playing. Stop playing with Kalyss. Stop playing. I hope I'm saying it right, but that's how it was spelled. Stop playing with them. Like, and y'all know I'm good for when I have braids or locks or any of the sort. Y'all know I'm good for a bun. Like, look. Stop playing. Stop playing with them. Don't play with these folks. Do not play with these folks, because they are not the one to play with. So yes, y'all, I am really loving this unit, and you can do it any which way. You can wear some of the hair down like this. It's not really centered, but it looks really cute like that. Or let me go ahead and show y'all a little side part action. You can do a little side part action, like, what do you see this? Like, don't play with them. Like, they are not them ones to play with. Like, and you can't tell me that I didn't sit in a chair for 8 hours at the African shop, or it took me 2 days to do my hair. Like, you can't tell me that. Like, look at this. Like, they are so pretty. And I love the actual boxes. Like, the boxes are neat and they are symmetrical, y'all. I love that for me. I love that for me. I love the fact that they're neat and symmetrical. But y'all already know, if the hair is good hair, it makes it onto the channel. If the hair is not good hair, it does not make it onto this channel. But I do want to thank Kalyss for sending me over this unit to review, because when I say, you guys, y'all need to get this in y'all arsenal. Like, y'all need this. If you don't walk, run to my description box and get this unit, you guys. Okay, so I want to thank you all for taking time out your day to watch my video. I hope I wasn't all over the place. I probably was all over the place, because y'all know I have ADHD, so sometimes my mind be doing this. Like, I'm always jumping and thinking about something else to do, so my mind is doing this, and I just hit myself in the lip. But it's okay, because we gonna move on from that. But I thank you for taking time out your day, coming through to my channel and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this here tribe. Alright, you guys. Peace.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me? I can stroke it.